Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 比. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write 比. To compare. To contrast. 比较. To compare. Relatively. For example, compare this one with that one. This one with that one. 拿这个和那个比较。拿这个和那个比较。拿这个 compare this one 这个和那个 that one 比较。Compare this one with that one 拿这个和那个比较。比比 to compare, to contrast. 比较 to compare. Relatively, compare this one with that one. 拿这个和那个比较。比 Please comment any sentence with the character 比. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.